How to block ads in Google Chrome. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to block ads in Google Chrome. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video and celebrate, and it's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in here I will provide you with 4 methods in order to do this. So the first method is the simplest one, which involves heading over to your 3 dots on your Google Chrome and then clicking on settings right here. And from in there, as you can see, you will open the settings. So just click on this privacy and security right here, and then scroll down until you can see site settings right here. So click on site settings. Then after that, scroll down again until you can see the pop-ups and redirects. So just click on that and click on don't allow sites to send pop-ups or redirects right here. So by doing this, you won't be able to receive any pop-ups or redirects, and usually ads are pop-ups and redirects. So if you head over to any site that has ads, then you won't be able to receive those ads anymore. The second method is heading over and installing and downloading and subscribing to NordVPN. This because NordVPN, aside from being a VPN service, also allows you to block some ads on your device. So by doing and subscribing to this NordVPN, you will be safe and you won't receive any ads. So the next thing is click on the total ad block right here. So if you click on this right here, so let's click on total ad block right here, you can see that this will redirect me to the Chrome web store wherein I can install total ad block, which is the ad blocker. So just click on this add to Chrome right here, click on add extension, and then after that, this will check that specific extension and then download it, and after downloading it, it will install it to our Chrome, which we will see on this extension list right here. So let's just wait for it to add this to our Chrome, and then after it has added, so we can now see it in here right there. So after you have seen it right there, then the next thing that you can do is the last method that I will show to you. So the last method involves searching for Adblock. This is also a extension that you can use. So click on Adblock right here, and then after that, this will load, and then this will proceed to our Adblock. So just click on add to Chrome right here again, and then click on add extension, and then this will actually download the file again and install it on our Chrome. So just do all of that, and then whenever you search for sites, you won't be able to see any ads anymore. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to block some ads on your Google Chrome. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.